happening in the near future?
Hello. Driver Ed starts November 12th through November 22nd, and the cost is $65. And you must be 14 and a half by November 12th to 10 o'clock.
Senior Johnsons will be on campus October 28th during lunches to take cap and gown orders.
Are you okay? Wrestling trials will begin on October 30th. For you to participate, you need a current physical, a Dragonfly account, and a hydration test. For you the please contact Miss Panzer and Miss Talbot.
Wait! Girls basketball trials are from the 30th to the 31st of October. You need an updated physical and an active Dragonfly account to attend. Wait, stop!
Applications for the 2024 and 2025 Youth Leadership Montgomery are due by Friday, November 1st.
Boys basketball tryouts begin October 3rd, and you must have updated physical and updated documents on Dragonfly in order to attend in tryouts. If you have any questions, please see Coach Brown.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Oh bye. Israel, are you okay? What's your name?
Yo.
What grade are you in?
9.
Okay, do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes.
Are you dressing up this year?
No.
Are you doing anything for Halloween this year?
No.
What's your name?
Taylor.
What grade are you in?
10th.
Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you dressing up this year?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you dressing up as?
Alice in Chains.
Okay. Are you doing anything else for Halloween?
I'm going to a Halloween party with my friends.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Lance,
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
Okay. Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yup,
Are you celebrating it this year?
probably, yeah,
Are you gonna dress up?
probably.
What are you gonna dress up as?
I don't know yet. Either Michael Myers or Ronald McDonald.
Okay. Do you have any other plans for Halloween?
Party.
Okay, that's all.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Charlie Burns,
What grade are you in?
11.
Are you celebrating Halloween?
Probably not.
Okay, then that's all. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Crisel Maido Vertes.
What do you teach?
I'm teaching math.
Okay. Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes. we
Okay.
are.
Do you dress up?
Yes.
What are you gonna be?
I will be a beautiful fairy.
Okay. Do you have any other plans for Halloween?
We will just go somewhere, like, like a place that celebrates Halloween as well, and be there to celebrate with others.
Okay, that's all. What's your name?
Jamie,
What do you teach?
EMS and Health Science.
Okay. Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes.
Okay. Are you dressing up this year?
No.
Okay. What else are you gonna do for Halloween?
Usually ride around the neighborhood, hand out candy if we have to, but just hang out. That's it.
Okay, that's all.
Awesome.
What's your name?
My name's Brenda.
What grade are you in?
9.
Okay. Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yeah.
Are you dressing up? What are you gonna be?
Probably a bit hurt.
Okay.
Do you have any other plans?
Probably gonna go out and scare some kids after Halloween too, so.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Gabriel.
What grade are you in?
10.
Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yeah.
What are you dressing up?
Clown.
Okay. Are you doing anything else for Halloween?
Probably hanging out with my girlfriend.
This is my teacher, guys. This is sharp.
Happy Halloween!
We're Asbestos from Timberwolf Broadcasting.
And it's spooky season, y'all.
The jack-o'-lantern. The chocolate ice.
I'm Zaire from Asbestos Broadcasting, and I'm here with
Misty.
Miss Almond.
Mr. Brown.
I am Mrs. Doverter.
Miss Smith.
Mr. Butler. Mr. Norwood.
Boo. What are you doing for Halloween, Miss Dade?
I'm gonna be here, as always.
To have basketball tryout.
I'm going to go with my two nephews trick-or-treating for Halloween.
But any place around Charlotte or Raleigh for a Halloween party?
Probably gonna take my children trunk or treating / trick or treating.
That's good.
I've got a 2-month-old. She'll be almost 3 months old at the time, and we're gonna cut up a little pumpkin and put her legs through it, put the little thing on top of her head, and we might dress her up like an avocado also.
What are you gonna dress up as?
Me and Miss Auburn are gonna be from the movie Step Brothers.
Yep, we're seeing her right after this. That's perfect.
Me and Miss Deed are dressing up as Step Brothers, the movie.
Myself, I'm the Grinch of Halloween.
I would love to wear a fairy dress for the Halloween.
Oh, it's gonna be so pretty.
I'd like to be pretty on that day.
I'm not sure yet. Going shopping this weekend, so stay tuned.
Probably gonna be Mickey Mouse because my daughter's gonna be Minnie Mouse.
That's good.
Thank you.
That's good.
Thank you.
I plan to be at this school dressed as a teacher.
Okay.
Very exciting, I know.
Very exciting. Thank you so much.
You're taking video. What does twice times mean?
Twice times.
Okay. Can you give me the origin?
This doesn't make it better.
My name is Ollie. I'm the team supervisor and I run the bowl.
My name's Brennan. I'm from Take a Bow, and I brought M&Ms, and my mother's George Washington.
Hey, I'm Hannah from Recess. I brought Hershey Kisses, and I just bought a grizzly bear. I won.
I'm Ashley from Asbestos. This carpet's messed up. I brought Reese's Pieces, and I don't know how to lie.
I am Jen from Recess. I am very tall, and I brought Skittles.
I'm also Jen from Recess. I brought Smarties, and I have a pet crocodile.
My name's Shania from Recess, and I bought Nerd Gummy Clusters, and I was in the Olympics.
My name's Ollie. I'm the team supervisor. From the lid. That can turn into a unicorn.
You should violently sing.